Welcome to the AI Opus, or as we like to call it, TAO. I'm Sarah, your go-to for all things AI, and with me is Mike, who always brings the curiosity to our conversations.
Hey Sarah, and hello to all our listeners. I'm excited to dive into today's topics. What's first on our AI news agenda?
Let's start with OpenAI. They've just released an economic blueprint, urging the U.S. government to step up its AI game. They're calling for more federal spending on energy and data, streamlined model deployment, and the ability to use public information, even if it's copyrighted, for AI training.
Wow, that sounds ambitious. Why is OpenAI pushing for this blueprint now?
Great question, Mike. They're concerned that the U.S. is at risk of losing a whopping $175 billion in AI investment to China, so they're urging a national strategy to attract funds and regulate AI responsibly. Plus, Nvidia's been criticizing the current AI chip export restrictions, saying they hinder innovation.
So it's about keeping the U.S. competitive and leading in AI, right?
Exactly. It's about national leadership and ensuring the U.S. remains at the forefront of AI development. Now, speaking of leadership, Microsoft has formed a new division called CoreAI. It's led by Jay Parikh and aims to accelerate AI infrastructure and software development.
Sounds like Microsoft's really doubling down on AI. What's their focus with this new division?
They're prioritizing model-forward applications, which are essentially AI-driven applications that could reshape all software categories. It's a big move to integrate AI more deeply into their software ecosystem.
Interesting. And I heard Nvidia's got some exciting news too?
Yes, they do. Nvidia has unveiled the Project Digits mini PC, which is quite the powerhouse. It's a $3,000 AI supercomputer packed into a mini PC running on the Grace Blackwell GB10 Superchip, designed for researchers. While it's currently Linux-based, it might inspire Nvidia to venture into consumer-grade AI-focused PCs, potentially challenging Microsoft's dominance with a new operating system.
That's a bold move. But what about its current usability for everyday consumers?
For now, it's more for researchers, but it hints at a future where AI-driven PCs could become mainstream. Now, shifting gears a bit, Mercedes-Benz is teaming up with Google to integrate generative AI into their MBUX Virtual Assistant.
I love the sound of that. How will this integration enhance the driving experience?
It's all about making the interaction more conversational and personalized. Powered by Google's Gemini and Vertex AI, drivers will get tailored responses using Google Maps data. The first deployment will be in their new CLA model.
Sounds like it'll make navigation a whole lot smoother. Meanwhile, I heard the UK's CMA is investigating Google?
Yes, they are. The investigation focuses on Google's search market dominance, specifically their AI search and advertising practices. It could lead to some major changes if they find any antitrust issues.
Could this lead to Google having to change how they operate?
Potentially. The investigation might result in remedies like business breakups or changes in how they present search results. On a lighter note, Raspberry AI just raised $24 million for their text-to-image AI platform for fashion design.
That's fascinating. How are they planning to use this funding?
They'll accelerate product development and help designers quickly visualize and iterate on designs. They've already got big clients like Under Armour and MCM Worldwide. Now let's talk about Blaze. They're going public through a SPAC merger.
Blaze focuses on AI chips, right? How are they different from others?
Correct. Unlike competitors targeting data centers, Blaze produces chips for smart products, focusing on edge computing. They're aiming for a $1.2 billion valuation despite current unprofitability.
That's ambitious. And what's happening with Meta these days?
Meta's facing some backlash for showing users AI-generated images of themselves on Instagram. It's part of their ongoing struggle to find profitable AI applications, often met with user revolt or indifference.
Sounds like they need to rethink their AI strategy. What about Simply.fi?
Simply.fi just launched Autopilot AI for campaign management and Media Planner with Plan Assist. These tools aim to simplify programmatic advertising with AI-driven insights, making it more accessible.
That's going to be a game changer for advertisers. And I heard Archermind and Aramo had a big reveal at CES.
They did. They showcased Fusion OS 2.0 for vehicles and Aramo AIOS 1.0 for Edge AI, which supports multiple platforms and integrates AI models efficiently across different sectors like automotive and IoT.
Wow, that's a lot of innovation. And Singapore's doing some interesting things with AI for elder care?
Yes, Singapore's leveraging AI to tackle its aging population, using robots like DEXI for elder care and AI tools for early depression detection. They're investing heavily to prepare for 2030, when 1 in 4 Singaporeans will be over 65.
That's a smart move. Now let's switch to funding news. Superdial's acquisition caught my eye.
They acquired Major Boost to enhance their healthcare automation capabilities, making tasks like benefits verification more efficient.
Sounds like a strategic move. And what about Bioptimus?
Bioptimus raised $41 million to develop a foundational AI model for simulating biological processes, aiming to revolutionize disease prediction and treatment.
That's groundbreaking. And Price-Yabessi's new venture seems promising too.
Yes, he's launched OpenLedger, an AI-driven accounting software, raising $3 million to simplify financial tasks for businesses. Lastly, Lemfi just raised $53 million to expand its remittance services.
That's impressive. It's great to see so much innovation and investment in the AI space.
Absolutely, Mike. It's an exciting time for AI. With that, let's wrap up our episode. Thanks for tuning in to Teo, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed today's AI updates. Stay curious, and we'll catch you next time on the AI Opus.